everyone, my name is Lauren Gaw, and you are watching another episode of Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. I hope you guys have been having a wonderful holiday season. I love celebrating New Year's Eve, but I also love starting the new year with a really special breakfast like cinnamon rolls. I actually really love cinnamon rolls any time of day. Of course, they are traditionally a breakfast food, but they're also really great as dessert. And the combination of cinnamon and sugar is just so yummy. When you're making the dough by hand, you use yeast and you have to let it rise. And honestly, this process takes an entire weekend. But I'm gonna show you a little sneaky, very easy way to make cinnamon rolls at home that everyone is going to love. Seriously, you can whip these up in less than 30 minutes. You don't have to plan ahead, you don't have to knead the dough, you don't have to let it rise. Wake up in the morning and whip these together, and everybody is gonna be impressed about your fresh homemade cinnamon rolls. In a small mixing bowl, add together your brown sugar and cinnamon and whisk together until there are no more lumps and it's well combined. The easiest way to make this is to buy a sheet of crescent dough instead of crescent rolls, but my grocery store only had the crescent rolls, so if that's the only thing that you can get, you can pinch the perforations together. They're still gonna look great and taste amazing. So roll out your crescent sheet or your crescent rolls and pinch the perforations together. I've already whipped together 3 tablespoons of my regular butter and 1 teaspoon of cannabis butter. You want it to be really well combined. And then spread it onto your crescent dough, leaving about 1 inch or ½ an inch at the top. You want to leave that top strip bare because that's going to help the rolls stick together. Now take your brown sugar mixture and sprinkle it evenly over the butter. Taking the long end, very carefully roll the dough up until you have 1 long roll. Then using a very sharp knife, cut it into 6 equal pieces. Now place each roll into a very well greased muffin tin and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's whip together our frosting. In a small mixing bowl, combine your butter, cannabis butter, cream cheese, milk, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. Just throw it all in there and mix it together until it's nice and smooth. When your cinnamon rolls are done baking, smear the frosting over while they're still hot. This is gonna let that frosting ooze into the center. Once they're cooled off a little bit, then you can remove the cinnamon rolls from the tin, put them on a serving dish, and then drizzle over the rest of your frosting. Can you see my nice ooey gooey cinnamon roll? Oh, and it smells amazing. I cannot wait to try this cinnamon roll. Oh, it's so good. They taste just as good as homemade cinnamon rolls, and they are about 1,000,000 times easier to make. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.